sleighs that I picked up in Dollar General, and all my other little bits and pieces came from the Dollar Tree, other than my paint that I picked up in Michael's. So let's get into this DIY. I'll be using the Santa Claus, some presents. I have some Jingle Bells. Those are from the Dollar Tree. I had these already on hand. I think I will be using these, maybe. I'm going to do a blue sleigh, so I'm using blue. This is a sleigh that I picked up and it only cost me $3. This was in Dollar General, really. I have my paintbrushes, I have my scissors, my glue stick, glue gun, and I have this just in case I need to sand it down when I open it. And I'll be using these that I picked up at Dollar Tree. Oh, so this is, it's pretty smooth. Yeah, these are the pieces. So I may not need to sand it after all. Anyway, let me paint this whole bit and then I come back with you guys.
Pulled by reindeer on his flight. From house to house he'll go, putting on his show. Don't ask me how he's done in time. I just know he seems to do just the whole world knows it well. As Saint Nick or Père Noël, and once a year he'll go, barreling through the snow. From house to house he'll go, putting on his show. Don't ask me how he's done in time. I just know he seems to do just fine.
As you can see, I put it together. I wish I had a ruler to put here, but I don't. So I had a couple of these barbecue skewers. So I just attached 3 together. And I actually glued it on the bottom with the hot glue. Hopefully it will hold. I think I might need some reinforcements here. But for now, this is the progress. I went ahead and I added the bells. These I picked up in Dollar Tree. And I don't remember where I picked this up, but I had these pipe cleaners. So I just put a little around there and just put the bell. So I will attach these. And for the front one, I put a little red nose. So, hey, my name is Rudolph. So I'm going to put a dab of hot glue here, and there's this one, and the back, and the back one right here. So let's see how this one, see how this goes. Put some hot glue right under the leg right here. And then I'll hold the wooden dowel. Just hold it for a little while.